Blunt cut metalwork, December 28, 2018. Today we're going to hit this nail onto the edge of this test blade. This is a 16D nail taped to a block of African Blackwood. So we have shock. That means this hit the edge instead of the edge hit the nail. I mean, in terms of chopping. And this CPM T15, 65 Rockwell heat treat 3.0. I use edgepro to put on 18 degrees per side. Take a while. And the thickness behind the edge is 22 pounds. So both have identical edge geometry. And this M2, 64 Rockwell. So first up, going to be the M2. And here the nail. That is toward the end here is a bad hit, so I will have to scrap that because I mean this is it doesn't have the correct impact. We'll try it again with more inner one. Okay, so you can see deformation here because toward the end here it pries, so you can end up with a little weird deformation in terms of so you can see a tear, a smush, and the nail is got cut. The nail is cut. There you go. So the damage is a little above the supplement bevel, so it's probably about maybe to the thickness of about 30 tiles or something like that. And this now going to be the CPM. I'm trying to get a better hit here. One thing about my test blade is, see, I can make the a little bit of a spear point or trailing edge by kind of curve it in up here a little bit and profile, so I can make it into a working knife. Anyway, okay. Here the CPM T15 versus the M2. So the M2 have a bigger damage right there, have a bigger damage, and I can check when the nail is got cut. I will hit another one because the M2 received 2. Maybe I will hit the other. Let me see. I don't have another test, but we'll maybe I can pinch you and try to get this nail 2 more hit. Okay, that's good. You can see the second one is the nail flew pretty well. And I have deformation right there. That's the outer one. So we'll try M2. Let's see. Maybe I will try to hit this section. Whew. Okay. The M2. Okay, this is M2 on top and CPM T15, even a higher hardness. it have more deformation on the M2. See right there, the M2 and the M2 and the T15. So the 315 perform better, and possibly because of the hardness differences, but of course hardness meaning that it's supposed to be more brittle. I would take a close-up pic of the worst damage of each of these blades here and put at the end of the video. Thanks for watching.